So I'm not short. I'm a lot on TikTok, Instagram, everything like that. And sometimes I stumble across some jokingly generated picture of something like could Zaya bubble save JFK? And when I go to search up those videos, nothing. So I was like, why not make one on that? So could Reinhardt, the big German dude from Overwatch, stop the atomic bomb in Hiroshima? First, we need to understand Reinhardt and what his kit is. Like a charge, he can throw fire strikes, swing, but all that is not important for us. We are interested in his shield. Like, now you might think, easy, he can just hold it up and block it. Like a Bastion ult, for example. The problem is, everything in like a 0.5 miles radius is just going to get evaporated. You have roughly a degree around 3 to 4,000, I think. So I don't even think, even in high-tech armor, he would even be able to survive it. And it was detonated around 580 meters in the air to create like a massive fireball. So he wouldn't be able to even block anything. He would just, there where he stands, it would be like an umbrella. It would be useless. And it would also be coming in from the side. So, I could be boring now and say Stadium Reinhardt, Flight Charge, and Shield Charge power, and he just charges us off. But I'm not that boring. So my new question is, how many Reinhardts would it take so that all Reinhardt survives, plus he shields the whole explosion, and no one in the area dies? So for that, we need to get like a round up surface area. So for the surface area of the evaporation zone, we will take like the max of 0.75. As a radius, then we will take, to get the whole sphere, I will be using S for this, we take 4 pi, we put in brackets the 7.2, we up it by 2, then we solve by the 2, which gives us 0.5625. Then we solve that again with the 4, which gives us 2.25 pi. If we then solve for pi, we get a rough estimate of 7.7 square miles, which if we would put that into square meters, would be 18,310,000. It's just a rough estimate, but that would be like this whole sphere, the layer of it. So, now we have how big the radius is. Now if we take Reinhardt's energy barrier in Overwatch, which is 4.25 meters high and 6.8 meters wide. If we just multiply those, we get the whole basis of it, which is 28.9 meters. Then we just divide the 18 million by the 28.9. Which means it would be roughly, if we just stack Reinhardts on top to just create a perfect sphere of big buff German men, to like encase the whole explosion, it would take roughly 300, no, not 300, I actually made a mistake there, 633,633. What the fuck am I even doing with my life?